Yeah.
Hey, check this out.
Go
right middle on the rock.
This is sick, dude. Oh, I just got mud on me.
Dennis, bro,
Should I
you're
avoid the rock
supposed
or
to get
not?
out of the car, man.
Dennis, you're supposed to get out of the car.
Okay, let me get out. Oh, he's trying to go down, that guy.
Let him go to the side instead. Hey, tu viens de lever, David.
On the rock.
Oh, this is sick, dude.
Max, what are you doing? Bro, why?
Oh,
Yo,
it's not
Max,
even
what
going.
Are you in 4 low?
Yeah, you can get out if you want to.
Are you
Yeah,
in 4
4
low?
low.
Go.
I think
Jeep don't pull.
Getting back is a lot easier. You just kind of
Max,
eat down.
does Jeep pull?
Yeah, it's cool.
Let's pull it.
Pulls.
Hey!
Bro, freaking her. That's what's
You're
wrong.
welcome.
Vanessa, what'd you do to my best friend?
We literally just hung out one time and then so he's messed up. Actually, it's not messed up. You're fine like this.
Bro, David is literally pulling up his ass, bro, just to like get up this hill.
Don't let the car stop. Just keep going. We're raped.
That's it. We're done, bro.
Tell him just to go down. You can't go down.
Why is there a freaking water?
Dennis, you want to get out and make sure I don't hit the bottom?
Huh?
You want to get out and make sure I don't hit the bottom?
Hey, let him go down. Let him go down.
Spotter?
Yeah,
Yo,
yeah.
stop. Let me get out. I'll do the spotter. Max, get out.
Can I get out?
Max, you want to take the camera too?
You should get out too. Do some sick shots.
I'll actually get out with you. Yeah, hold on to it.
Cuddy, go back. Go back. Back. Come all the way right here, bro. You can go around the rock.
Come all the way right here, bro.
All right, turn in, right here.
Good.
All right, you're about to bro.
Is this thing lifted?
Yeah.
Dennis, you guys try to climb it on top?
I'm not gonna be able to get past your buddy though.
Yeah.
Go right here. David! Right here. Get as close as possible to this rock though. If he hangs on a second, I can probably get past him because I don't know if he's gonna get past me, is he?
I think you can.
We'll just try coming up here and if anything. Alright, go left, bro. There's his biker right there. Don't stop.
Jeep life, Cuddy. Jeep life. Max, hop on, hop on. Dude, Max is literally running for his life, bro. What he does for beneficial vlogs, bro.
Are you showing for low?
Oh, Max, this is it. No, no, no. We have to cross this thing first.
Stay.
Get a Jeep. Get a Jeep from Beneficial. Next, tell all the haters what they all gotta say about the Jeeps.
They got nothing to say, man. I got up here.
Yo, it's nice. Well, I know I'm buying new vans.
David. Yeah.
Where's my phone?
Anybody trying to chew?
Wow, stretch out your legs, girls.
Anybody trying to chew?
How was it, David?
It was nice.
Yo, I would get one.
Do it, Josh.
That's what I did.
Oh my gosh,
Max, you're a G. You're a real G, bro. Are you dead? Bro, this guy right here,
Still have to hike.
running for his life.
Tired.
One fall, and that's it, bro. You're done.
You can't tell by with this camera, bro.
The camera, yeah, you can't tell. But we're actually at a super high elevation right now.
Bro, we're above the clouds, bro. That's clouds right there.
Dude, I feel like it's warmer here right now.
It's so much warmer here than
Then
Oregon.
down there. Then down there, it's probably like cold. But right here, it actually feels like it's 60 degrees.
Bro, this is shirt weather, bro.
Legit.
This is shirt weather. Bro, look at my hood. About to zoom into that action right there. Oof. Oh. This guy, bro.
Cut that off. Cut that off.
It's gonna be a pain, you know.
Damn, yo, I see Abner snowboarding over there. With this zoom, bro.
Abner? Abner, you snowboarding, bro?
Caddy.
Whoa, he's hitting them shreds. Look at that. Oh, did you see it?
Yeah, Caddy just ate it, bro. Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Take it on my.
Oh, my niggas.
Bro, this is shirt weather, bro. I'm enjoying this.
What's up, man?
Caddy thinks he's looking nice.
I don't.
Max's sweater.
Hey.
Sweater weather.
cold.
Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Drop a nip. Hey, hey, hey.
Man, I'm recording it freaking in Snapchat or Instagram, but I have like my mom on there. You're like saying crap.
Your mom has a snap?
She has an Instagram.
Ah, okay.